Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Morning call. Right there. Morning call. I'm going to feed my chickens some grub from my friend. Looks like carrots and something else and beets. I love that sound. I don't know how I don't know how I don't like it, because it just gives me peace. I do. I like that sound of chickens clucking and roosters crowing. Well, today's 9/11, and I woke up sad. Yeah. Where do I go when I wake up sad, or, you know, I go find peace somewhere where I can have peace. And where do I go? Out here to these ladies. And I'm going to talk today about why should I have a rooster? Should I have roosters? I had a couple friends who are getting chickens, and they said, should I have roosters? Should I have a rooster? One of my friends is getting she's purchasing a bunch of, a flock of chickens, and there's 2 roosters. And I said, oh, you need the roosters. Especially if you have land, they're free ranging in land. Roosters just kind of protect the flock. They're just a presence that I think the hens really feel safe. And if you like crowing, I love waking up to crowing. I love it. So this is where I come for peace. Especially the stressful days that many of us had yesterday. You know, when we get news, about anything, when we get news to make us, pause and take a breath and go, wow, I come back here to these jewels. Hi. Yeah. Okay, so let's open up. I brought some out earlier. I don't think they like it. Let's see if they like this, trying to hold the camera and do this is, okay, here's beets. Let's see if you guys like the beets. Do you like the beets? You like the beets? No? So this is from juicing. When we juice vegetables, we give them the pulp. And I don't know if they're real keen on it. Kind of funny, actually. They're like, nah, no, nah, we're not going to do that. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to have to like it, because, you're spoiled. I like roosters also if I want to have chicks, because I will have fertilized eggs as well. And it's funny because they follow him around, so he's the leader. Wherever he goes, they go. And I think roosters will defend with their life their hens. If there is a predator, they're the first ones to get them out of the way. Just like any household, right? It should be that the male protects his domain. Are you guys eating it? Now, you could get a rooster that's a little jerk like this one, Stu. He just a little jerk. He's always been a little jerk ever since he was a little one. He just has attitude. Don't you, Stu? You just have attitude. And this one's just a sweetheart. Chuck, he's a sweetheart. This is where I come for peace. Hey, little one. Hi. So I came out here earlier and she was, she had a mouse. I say she because I still think it's a hen. Hey, where you going? Yeah, she had a mouse and she was not giving that mouse up. That was hers. So we also have some projects today. We are going to, most likely I'm going to paint the steps of my she shed. We are going to start buttoning up for winter my greenhouse. There are some things we have to do. I don't know if I'm gonna give them that because they don't really like it. But maybe they'll eat it eventually during the day if they get hungry enough. I don't know. Yeah, so it's our time to kind of get some stuff done in the yard before winter sets in. We have a couple months before winter sets in. Leaves are falling on the trees now. Yeah. She doesn't follow Mama around anymore. She's kind of independent. Look how big she's getting. Yeah. And pretty. Definitely a Swedish flower. She's got the Swedish flower colors, definitely. Oh, where's Mama? And here's Mama right there. No, that's not Mama. So Snow and Spot look the same. Spot has some colors. Hi Spot, what you doing? What are you doing? Where's your baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby, Mama? Where's the baby? What are you doing, Chuck? There's the baby over there. All right, everyone. Just want to come on and say hi. Hope everybody has a good day. Yeah, 24 years ago, we all know what happened. The young kids the young generation who are younger than 24 have no idea the trauma of that day. But we just reflect, we move on, we find peace somewhere. Go find a place that makes you happy. Just quiet time and just be. If you have animals, cuddle with your animals. They are a source of comfort always. This is a world of chatter always. I love listening to their chatter. Is that you? Dodo, are you the one chattering away, a little voice? They're kind of all over the place. There's some over here, some over there. It's a beautiful day. It's not going to be real hot. All right, everybody. Well, I'll see you on my next video. I'll show you the progress that we have, that we are going to be doing this next month. It's been a busy summer for us. Seriously, we just could not get things done like we wanted, but We have to focus. Yeah. All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.